Welcome, I'm from a TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, obviously, let's open up Settings. From here, choose Storage, select your SD card, and then tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to format. Once you tap on it, it does give you a pop-up right here letting you know that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything that you'd like to keep on it, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, select Format SD card. This immediately begins the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, at which point, once it's finished, the card will be ready to be used once again, as it is right now. Click on Done and you're completely finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.